Weak flush problems with your toilet can feel super annoying, but fixing it is way easier than you'd think if you know what to check first. So, here's the deal. First, check if there's a clog somewhere, like in the trap or the drain. Sometimes a plunger or a drain snake can fix that fast. Next, clean those tiny rim holes under the toilet bowl's edge, because if they're clogged, water won't spray properly during a flush. Also, make sure the water level in the tank is high enough. If it's too low, the flush won't be strong. Don't forget to look at the flapper seal inside the tank. If it's worn out or warped, water leaks and the flush weakens. Adjusting the flush valve chain length can help too, because if it's too loose or tight, the flapper won't lift properly. Another thing is to inspect the vent pipe on your roof. If it's blocked, water flow gets messed up and the flush is weak. Remember, regular maintenance helps avoid these issues, so don't just ignore slow flushing. Fixing these simple parts usually gets your toilet flushing like new again without hiring a pro. One of the biggest problems with weak toilet flushes is ignoring small clogs that block water flow. Using a plunger early can stop this before it gets worse. Another common mistake is not checking or cleaning rim holes regularly, which causes poor water distribution during the flush. Soaking them with vinegar can clear buildup easily. Lastly, many forget to adjust the flapper or replace its seal when it wears down, which leads to leaks and weak pressure. Swapping out the flapper is cheap and super quick. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff for toilet repairs and other home projects. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing work and build a solid reputation in their area.